Now I'll show you how to schedule your newsletter campaign. So from the newsletter, click on continue. And on the next page, you can edit additional details. So for example, add title to this campaign. So let's put first campaign, click save. And then add recipients. We haven't got any audience yet, but you can select an audience from here. So add recipients. You can import contacts or leave it for now. Now obviously you have to specify the name, so the name of your business and your email address. And then save. You have to verify the domain before you can save it, before you can send your first campaign. So click on verify domain. And simply send verification email. I don't want to do it because I've got this email address integrate with my regular MailChimp account, but if you send verification email, you just have to click the confirmation and you will be able to proceed. So I'll cancel for now. And you can change the subject line of the newsletter. So obviously this is the subject line people will be seeing in their mailboxes. Let's just put simple hello and save. And MailChimp is great that it won't allow you to send a newsletter if there are any errors. So as you can see, we've got few errors. So for example, we've got some random text showing, so we just have to edit it. So go back to edit. So MailChimp tells us to remove this, the default content, the default text. We haven't customized it. That's why it kind of gave us the alert. So let's do it now. So let's change it here and simply add custom text goes here, save and close. And obviously replace this part as well. So custom place goes here as well. And now we should be good to go. Click continue. As you can see, it is much better. Obviously, we have to add audience, we have to verify domain before we can schedule the campaign. However, once you're ready to go, you will be able to schedule the campaign. This button will be activated at the top, but for now, I'll just click finish later.